Hello everyone, this is Sovik and welcome back to our channel English Tutorial by SB. In this video, we'll show you how you can communicate in English language formally and informally so that you can improve your spoken English and communicative English. Today, I will be playing the role of an English guide and she will be playing the role of English language learner. And we will talk to each other and we will share a few important tips. And we believe that these tips will help you and you will be benefited from this video. So watch the video till the end and stay tuned. So let's start today's video.
Hello, sir.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening, sir. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm fine. And where are you from?
I'm from Howrah, West Bengal. And you are from?
I'm from Howrah, West Bengal also. And what do you do?
I work in an engineering college in the Department of Humanities.
Okay. And what is your primary role there?
I mainly conduct sessions on spoken English and soft skills so that the students of our college become prepared for their future and they get jobs in different multinational companies.
Okay. Today I want to ask you very important questions.
Yes.
Now, people who want to improve their spoken English, who are the beginners in spoken English, they always used to translate from their Bengali to English.
Yes.
And in case of me, I can read and write, but during conversation, I don't find the right words at right time.
Okay.
So what is the main reason of that?
Okay. Now, to understand this topic, you have to understand the basic thing that this problem is common for each and every learner who is learning to speak in English language. We have to understand that English language is not our mother tongue. Now, this is a foreign language and now it has become our second language. Now, foreign language, second language, and our mother tongue, there is gap. Now, when you get a chance to communicate, to speak with your family members, with your friends, with other people in your society in a particular language, then it becomes very smooth and you will be confident to use the language the way a child learns a language to communicate, right? But when it is all about English language or any other foreign language, we don't get that opportunity or that chance to communicate with each and everyone around us. So the main problem is about that. We have to understand that English language is not our mother tongue, but we can learn it to acquire it naturally so that we can also communicate, right? Now, your question was why the right words don't come to us at right time? Because we don't know which word to use in a particular time, right? So that is why we suffer from this problem. But again, let me tell you that this is a common problem for each and every learner who is learning to speak in English language. Okay, I hope you have understood it, right? Please share your feedback.
Absolutely, sir. I understood. But I just want to request you, could you please share some techniques or tips to overcome this problem?
Yeah, there are many techniques. Now, to talk about that, first of all, you have to be proud to share something in English language. Whatever ideas, whatever information you have in your brain, you have to share that. And without any kind of hesitation, you have to share that in English language. So this is number one. Now, how you can do that? You can do that by writing. Now, the receptive skills are there. Reading and listening. Now, if you improve your listening skill and also reading skill, then automatically your writing skill and your spoken skill will be improved, right? Now, you have to create some habits. Those habits will help you to improve your receptive skills. Receptive skills means your listening skill and reading skill, the skills which help you to receive something from different sources. It can be a book, it can be nature, it can be your teacher, it can be anything, right? So you have to improve your receptive skill. Okay, now to talk about the habits, let me just share 2 or 3 habits and that will change your entire experience of learning English language. Habit number 1, you have to write down whatever ideas you have. Just start writing, okay? And then you speak up. You use English language to record that thoughts that information which you have written, and you listen to that and you try to rectify that. Okay, if you have any guide, you just let that be checked by that guide. Otherwise there can be few problems. Otherwise you can also listen to that and you can also understand, okay, this sentence could be better, this word can be replaced by a better word. In this way you can follow up whatever you are doing, whatever you are learning. And then the next habit is reading newspaper. You have to read newspaper in a way that the difficult words which are there and the easy complementary words to replace that difficult word should be there in your mind. And whenever you are reading a newspaper and you are practicing a speech, then use the simple word to replace that difficult word and you create your own speech. Again, you record that, you share that, and you practice. Another important habit you can have in your life to enhance your English language proficiency skill, that is shadowing. Now you have to select one of your favorite speakers in English language. It can be your teacher, it can be a commentator, it can be news anchor. Whatever sentences they are using to communicate, just copy that. Suppose your speaker, you actually love that speaker to watch, and your speaker is saying, hello everyone, good evening and welcome to this show, and you are also repeating that, hello everyone, good evening, welcome to this show. In this way, automatically your brain will be comfortable to use anything which you have in your mind in English language, and that intonation, the way the sentence can be shared in a better way, that will be improved. Okay, I hope you have understood, right?
Yes, sir. Obviously, sir, I understood. And thank you very much for your advice. I will surely follow all your techniques to improve my skill.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, sir.
So today what we have learned why we suffer from this problem. The right words don't come to us at right time. We fumble, we become nervous. Why this happens? Because English is not our mother tongue and we only are comfortable to use something in our mother tongue, right? So the gap is still there. The formal use of English language, the informal use of English language, still there is huge gap, and we have to minimize that gap. This is number one. And then we have learned what we can do. I mean, the positive habits we can have in our life to improve our English language proficiency skills. Okay. Now, if you have any other question, you can share that. Otherwise, here we conclude.
No, sir. Thank you very much for this.
Okay. And this is for our audience. If you watch this video till now, then please subscribe our channel English Tutorial by SB. We will be uploading more videos on this. The main target of this channel is to help you enhance your English language proficiency skills and also to help you prepare for competitive examination, because English aptitude, spot the error, different types of grammatical concepts will be there, and we will do our best to clarify those concepts in easy explanation. Thank you. See you in our next video. Till then, keep learning and keep practicing.